Who doesn't want to come and see a beautiful leopard? So she's part of this very important research program that we are following on to monitor the sustainability of this dense population and how it regulates itself naturally without us. Every time we try and influence it, we mess it up more than what we're actually trying to fix it. Who doesn't want to come and see a beautiful leopard?
Yeah.
And that funding is funding all the other projects that are so difficult to get funding for. It's coming directly because people come and see a leopard.
Wow.
And yeah, she's crawled into my heart, this lady. I follow her, and does anybody know her age exactly? She must be 12,